Oh, that looks sick as fuck. Back to another vlog, everybody. Good morning, good evening, good night, whatever time it is you guys are watching this. In this vlog, we got more progress, more content. Very exciting. We will be installing more parts onto Tonka's motor. We'll be installing the transmission, half shaft, new crank sensor, starter, and possibly bolting it up to Tonka. So, without further ado, let's start this vlog. So we have our starter, tools, starter bolt, snack, of course. We have our driver side mount bolts from Myers. We have our Speed Factory titanium bolts. I really like the color of these, so I decided to buy them. Yes, sir. And then along back here, as I mentioned before, you can store your half shaft. I decided to paint mine gold. I really like that color and the way it came out. The half shaft bolts. We have our rear mount bolts. Let me climb over here. So we have our Myers post mount bolts, and we have our new sensor. Let's go ahead and install this. But this is a K20 crank sensor. The one that's in here is a K24. Visual comparison. This is what the K24 one looks like. You see the pins are a little closer to the base. And then with the new one, this is still good, or it should still be good. You see the shape's different, and the pins are more to the center. Throw the starter on real quick. So it lines up. Throw 14. Turn it this way. Now let's move on to the transmission. Starting off for the transmission, we have our fork that came with it. This one's still in pretty good shape, so we'll use it. I wanted to buy another one, but I didn't want to wait on it. We have a new spring. Here's the part number. And we have a new boot. Here's the part number for the boot. Little grease in here. Hook. And pinch. Boom. Before we mount the transmission, take this loose, scoot this back a little bit, right there, and then once the transmission is on, this will bolt into the transmission for support, and then you have access for all 17s. This, he has an optional nut holder, pause on the nut holder, but we have these trays, so set in tray. Very nice. You guys ready to see how easy this is? Close lock. Add the hardware. Man, that looks so cool. Eventually, I actually might order one, so we have it laying around. That fork may work, but as you see, it doesn't take that much work to put on or take off the transmission. Now, let's bolt up the half shaft. I still need to invest in more lights because as you see, we have this little beam right here. So one light's going this way, one light's going that way. I might just need to add one right underneath it. Time for the half shaft. Boom. We got our hardware. The one with the sleeves. It's not focusing, but go here. And the single one goes right here. And the half shaft is on. Man, that's such a cool color. That's an awesome combination, guys. Like I said and mentioned before, everything whenever you use this cart is fully accessible. Now, roll the clip. Roll the clip.
Oh my God, these niggas are savages, yo. Nah, I ain't fucking with y'all, bro. Nah, yo. When Kansas meets Florida, yo.
That is how we installed Curly's motor down in Florida. Well, I have a different scenario. We will actually just be pushing Tonka's motor and transmission in through the front since we have our floating headlight supports off and everything else. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so I put the transmission mount on the cart. That lined up. This bolted up. Transmission mount is on as well. I'm going to snug these up, put the traction bar on, and we'll jack the front of the car up and get the cart out. Oh man, that looks so cool. So, traction bar's on, mounts are hooked up. I still need the rear one, but I'll jack the front end up, undo the hardware, and we'll slide the cart right out. Alright guys, got the gun in the socket to make this clip shorter. Gonna start with the hardware in the back. This one. This battery might be running low. Get the 17. There's that one. That one. And there's that one. Cart's loose. Jack the car up. Cart off. Loose. Okay, jacking this up. So we can roll the cart out. I'm in and I'm out. And thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really gotta get my butt to sleep, so hopefully I can hurry up, edit this while I'm eating, because I have not eaten today. Yes, other than snacks. Probably not really good for you to do that, but it is what it is. Had a busy day. Black Widow got an oil change, got new spark plugs, and yeah, as you see, vlogging. So, thank you for watching. Stay blessed, stay slaying, most importantly keep gunning, and I'll catch you guys next time.